I talk about IKEA often, but I found a store that blows my mind. How can this IKEA not have any inventory? Let's find out. Hello, welcome back to the Crafty Organizer. I'm Noreen Burke, and if you have come to my channel for the first time, welcome. I love talking about ways to organize, declutter, do DIYs, and upcycles. But one of the things I also love talking about is budget ways to find things. And I happen to think IKEA is one of the best places to go to for a myriad of solutions, whether it be for organizing or decorating. But one of the reasons I love them is they really are an affordable option, but they also have a higher quality that goes up, and you can almost always find something that fits your needs. I was super excited when I was driving through my local outdoor shopping center and I saw an IKEA in that shopping center. I parked, was so excited to walk in, but as I was approaching the inside, I noticed that this was a very different IKEA. It's called an IKEA Planning Studio, and upon walking in, the first thing I noticed is there is a receptionist desk. Now, this concept has been around internationally for a little while, but here in the States, it's very new. They had one open up in Manhattan in New York, which sadly was during the pandemic, and it did not survive the closures during that time. We do have two here in California, one in Arcadia and one right here in Long Beach where I live. Now, here's one of the things I love about IKEA, and I know so many of you do not have IKEAs close to you, and I keep hoping that they will pop open more, but these smaller stores are just focusing on the showroom concept and the planning of spaces. So when you walk in, you're going to have a ton of amazing examples of how to use their merchandise in all types of spaces. So if you are looking to redo a space, you can set an appointment with one of their planners. It's absolutely free. You come in with your measurements and they will help you plan the space using their items. What blows me away with this is there are so many options, once again, that can meet your budget. But just walking around and getting the ideas for your spaces means that you can go to other stores, find similar items, and design a space similarly. I love walking through these showrooms just to get the ideas of different ways to use items. Now, for those of you who don't have IKEAs close by, fret not, I have an option for you as well. The IKEA website has galleries online for different living spaces that will give you ideas of ways to organize, set things up, and arrange for the best storage solutions. So even if you don't have one close by, you can still look online, find a space that looks similar to yours, and get all types of inspiration and ideas. Now, once again, the price for using their planning studios is absolutely free, which is incredible. But if you are worried about doing any type of measuring, I know I would be worried because when it really gets down to the minutia of details, they have a service for just $129, which sounds expensive when I first say it, but if you use their service to come in and measure everything, they will apply the price of that to your project, so it's really not costing you anything for that peace of mind to know that everything is going to fit perfectly. They'll take in those strange Tetris spots. I know in my home, everything is built like a trapezoid. There isn't a square corner in my entire home. So if I were to use the IKEA service and come in with my own measurements, I would not sleep at night. So knowing that you can have a professional come in, measure every little corner, and make sure that everything is flush and is going to fit would really give me peace of mind. And knowing that the cost involved is going to be applied to my total project is really a big weight taken off my shoulders. So be on the lookout in your area, see if one of these planning studios is coming to you, or go online and start checking out their galleries for the inspiration for ideas. I'm planning on going to an Ikea very soon. I was hoping to go in the last couple weeks, but life's just been crazy. So I'm going to be going soon to be revealing all of the new holiday things coming out. Halloween just passed, so you know I'm diving into the holidays very, very soon. And if you notice, I went ahead and changed up my background again. I like the warmer color for the winter. I did a video before showing how I changed the background of my bookcases. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and click this video here. I'll also have it down in the description below. I thank you for watching today. If you are new, please consider subscribing. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back and visiting with me again. I will see you guys in just a few days with the next video. And as always, thank you to my patrons who allow me to make these videos possible. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.